G'day everyone. We've been enjoying our sourdough making, so I went on the internet and I bought this. What is it, you may ask? Really good question. I can't remember. Oh, I can't remember. It's from Amazon, and I'll put the link to buying it in the description. There we go. And there it is. We've been making sourdough without the aid of one of these, and there's another name for it, but it's a bread basket basically. And what it comes with is a nice bag to put our loaf in, another bread scraper, we've got lots of them, but importantly, the leavening basket. So this is a cloth line wooden basket that we put our dough in. We let it rise, do the bulk rise in here. We can then tip it out into our pan, shape it, and off we go. The other thing it came with is something we haven't been able to do properly, and that's to score the loaf. And scoring the loaf is meant to be really important to making sourdough. So we've got a little knife thingy here. Right there. And somehow we have to fit our razor blades in there. Unfortunately, this hasn't come with any instructions. As far as I can see, we do have a nice little fake leather pouch, which I assume is to cover our razor blades. We have some razor blades here, which I shall attempt to open. Come in little envelopes. See if I can do this without slicing my fingers off. Good old-fashioned razor blade. And now we need to see, how do we put that on? I have no idea how we put that on. Trying to do this without slicing fingers. Not easy. Don't think that's it, but maybe it is. So anyway, that's what it's meant to do, something like that, so that we can actually slice the dough properly. And I haven't found that knives do that very well. So there's that. And it should go in there. It's safe. And it comes with 5 razor blades, so that should keep us going for a while. Last thing it comes with is some pretty little patterns for decorating the bread. And there's lots of them. Look like they're a silicone-y type material. And we sprinkle flour on those, and we get a nice pattern on the loaf. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, about 20. 20 different patterns that we can decorate our bread with. So, when we do our rye bread, sourdough, we shall give this little kit a shot. Hang about, and we'll have a look how it goes.